Alrighty guys and gals, welcome back to Houston Kilby YouTube channel. I'm Houston Kilby, and this is the Full Metal Go. Alright guys, and today's episode is all about metal prep. We've got a brand new sponsor on board, Patina, and before we can even clear coat this thing or even use any of the stuff our brand new sponsor just got us, we've got to get this thing all shiny and prepped up. And so today what we're going to be doing is nothing but metal prep on this bad boy, and we're going to be using the Eastwood Contour SCT. And also another little tip for you guys is you can use the Harbor Freight Bauer sanding drums on this thing, which is a huge help. These things are only like 14 bucks and they're local, so that's really good because these drums are really expensive. But anyways, let's get into this deal. Let's metal prep this deal. Let's get it nice and shiny. And also we're going to have a little break in the middle of the episode, and we're going to go down to Jesse's and help him out with one of his really cool projects. So you guys sit back and enjoy. Jesse, son.
Yeah, honey hush.
Honey hush. We're back on sanding again.
Yeah, man, as always, the endless list.
That's right. So, I don't know if I've told you yet or not, but Patina is coming on board with us this year.
No, you didn't.
And they are going to be partnered up with us, and they're going to be helping us out with all of the clear coating for this thing. So that's why we are...
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Polishing this bad boy up, getting it cleaned up. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of sneak peek here, what's going on.
Yeah, look at that shiny hind end.
Yeah, but the butt is starting to look good.
Yeah,
It kind of has this like raccoon eye look going on right now. Look at it.
Got a bandit going on here.
Bandit. All right, so we are polishing this thing up.
Honestly, guys, this is the best we've ever seen it.
Yeah.
It's always had this black factory panel paint and stuff on it, patching here and there. Now that's the best I've seen it.
Yeah, this thing is looking pretty good. I'll let you guys get a close up.
Yeah.
Kind of what the metal finish is starting to look like here. But Jesse is hitting all the jams and all the tight small spots.
Yeah.
And I'm working with the big areas there. So Jesse's going to go back behind me, hit all these little spots, get all the rust out of them and all that. So anyways, Patina sent us clear coat and all the rest of the stuff's in that box there. So big shout out to them. That's why
that way when it rains, we just throw a cover over it and just chill out. No drama, no freaking out, no nothing.
No nothing, because this thing's been a handful to keep looking good for y'all.
Yeah, it has.
But honestly, man, it stayed looking good.
Last year, we got caught in a monsoon. And I mean, we had no choice but to literally let it sit in the rain. I mean, we got a trailer best we could, but it was drenched. The next day, I figured this thing would have been brown.
Yeah.
No, I mean, it was just spotted. I mean, but it blew me away.
That's right. So, yeah,
the old car holds itself pretty good.
It does, man. The old metal really stays good. It was interesting. Spots like this is what would rust up on us.
Yeah.
But if it was like a flat panel, it wouldn't rust up for a long time unless somebody touched it with a handprint.
Yeah, exactly. And then show up.
Then it would rust overnight then. Yeah. But anyways, guys, we're going to hammer down, keep working on this metal finish, getting it prepped, and then we're basically going to have to turn this shop into a paint booth.
Yep, that's what it's looking like.
So probably
we're going to have to learn the process anyways.
That's right. So we're going to have to figure this deal out. But anyways, guys, sit back and enjoy. Definitely sponsors and partners, if you're interested in joining up with us this year, now's the time to get with us.
We got a blank page right now. A good canvas.
Our first race is April the 19th. If you want on this car, holler at me. We're going to put a deadline on this deal. I'll put it down in the description or right on there what the dates are of it. but the deadline's coming up soon. So if you want to own the car, let me know. Let's make it happen. Let's go racing, Jesse.
Make it happen, Captain.
All right, enough of a break. Let's get back at it.
That's it.
Alrighty, guys, it's time to hammer down. Me and a good buddy Jesse is full sanding on this thing and metal prepping. I've got this contour wide open right now, hammering down with it and cleaning everything up and just getting the fenders all polished up and the doors and all that stuff. And this thing, believe it or not, as shiny as it looked, this go around, me and Jesse are being very cautious and very careful to try to keep the sander going in the same direction. There's a few times I've got to turn it sideways, but then I end up going back the other way to try to keep the flow of it looking good instead of it just having these weird swirl marks everywhere. But anyways, I'm getting pretty pumped up. I think this thing is looking good. It's cleaning up nice. It's polishing nice. And heck yeah, man, check this old girl out, man. It's starting to look good. The old FMG or Full Metal Goat hasn't looked this good in a while, and nor has it ever looked this good, in my opinion, because we've just done so much sanding now on it. But man, this thing is just looking good. Alrighty, guys, quick tip of the day: how to use Clecos. All right, check this out right here. If you're needing to put a Zeus plate down, okay, or if you need to work on sheet metal, Clecos are a handy tool to hold things down. All you gotta do is drill the hole out, zippity zip like that, and then put your Cleco in, just like that, and boom. Now it holds what it is you need held, and it holds pretty daggum strong. Quick tip of the day. Alright guys, I wanted to show y'all something really quick. This was actually a problem that we had at our last couple of races we were at, and that's this valence thing right here. As you guys can see now, we've put a Zeus here and a Zeus button here. This is something that we just done. This is now a 2-piece instead of a 1-piece. There was a section right here behind the intake that I've now cut out. Believe it or not, this was a really hard piece to get in and out because of these fuel lines and the windshield. So what I've done is now each one of these is removable on each side, and this is just one of those little things that'll help us at the track when we go to maintenance this motor. So the front end can come off and all this can come off so that you can work on the valve train and stuff and all that good stuff. But anyways, just wanted to show you guys, this is one of the things that we learned at our last race. This needed to be removable and way easier to remove compared to the way that it was. So anyways, one of the many things you got to fix to go faster. Alrighty guys, it's now time to head up to Jesse's. We need to work on his carport. It's bright and early in the morning. I'm pumped up. I know Jesse's pumped up. I think it's going to be a really cool little intermission here for you guys. So let's get to work. Alrighty guys, it's now time to hammer down on Jesse's brand new carport. Well, I guess brand new to him. Me and him had actually last year went to Kingsport and we found this thing on Facebook Marketplace. Went up there and just a couple hours in the morning we tore it down and brought this thing home. And so now we're putting this thing back together. We got good help out one of Jesse's neighbors there, Mr. Bill. And I tell you guys, just 3 guys on it. We hammered this thing out pretty quickly. We got this thing done, I guess about 5 hours. We got it knocked out. And I tell you, once you start having to get on the roof of this thing, it got a little bit wobbly on me, but we kept hammering down and we got it done. But little Miss Loretta Sue, Miss Hannah came to see us while we're working on it. And I thought you guys get enjoyment out of seeing them real quick here.
What are you doing? Hey, are you walking? Are you walking so good? Did you come see what old Daddy and Jesse was doing? So we appreciate the supervision.
See it. Y'all wouldn't have got none of that.
Jesse, dude, you got yourself a building.
Oh man, yeah, dude. Got me a shed for the hot rods to lay under and everything.
Heck yeah, so you're going to be covering all the sides and the back, ain't you?
Back's gonna get covered. Side's gonna get covered. I'm gonna leave the front open. Just put a cattle gate in front of it.
There
just
you go.
Rock with it.
Hey man, you're rocking and rolling now, old son.
Yeah, it's a good temporary shed till I get my nice shop going. So
Heck yeah, man. Well,
these
Jesse,
cars gotta be under some kind of weather. If they don't, they're gone.
they're gone. Anyways, dude, congrats, man. It's looking good.
Yeah, man.
Jesse, we just had a serious intermission there.
Last time we was working on this, That was what, 2 o'clock this morning?
Yeah.
Got up this morning, built a complete building.
At 8 o'clock.
Here we are back again on the GTO.
That's right, guys. So I hope y'all enjoyed that little break there. That was what? Kilby and Gardner shed builders or something,
pretty
right?
much.
Carport builders.
Exactly.
Oh, my Lord.
Y'all don't know what we're into next minute.
It's always crazy.
It ain't building shops, it's building hot rods.
Race cars, hot rods, trailers,
Shops.
Just don't bring no boats.
Yeah, exactly. No, we don't want to get down the boat route unless it's got a big block blown Hemi.
Oh, Lord. All right, guys. So, kind of catch y'all up where we're at right now. We're still metal prepping the GTO. We've been sanding on it like crazy. We've still got all the little crevices to hit, kind of like that. But I've just about got the main portion of the body. I got to go back. What I'm doing is I hit it with this big boy right here. This is what they call a stripping drum. And this thing was brand new when we first started, so it's aided up pretty good. But it's lasted a long time too. And then I hit it with the 120 flapper wheel on the buffing wheel there. So anyways, we're getting it better. So I got to hit that on this side here and on this half of the top, and
finish up the crevices.
And Jesse's on the crevices. So anyways, let's hit this thing. Let's make it look pretty.
Yeah, man.
Guys and gals, Jesse, it's been a full past 24 hours.
Oh, we started sanding on the car, built a shop, well, my kind of shop, a shed,
Yep.
and finished up on this thing.
Yeah, guys, so we've been full since. I just thought we'd just kind of give y'all an update where we are, what all is going on. We are in full send to get to our first race. Our first race is April the 19th. And we want this car looking its best and come out of the hole. It's going to be different. This year it should look pretty nice.
Yeah, man.
But anyways, Jesse, man, it's been a good one.
As always.
We got to test out the Harbor Freight sanding drums. Those things work good, guys.
They freaking make this car look like a different animal. I mean, it's insane.
And seriously, for $14 a piece, those things you can't beat
They done the job. Exactly.
They done the job right there. So, anyways, guys, hope y'all enjoyed the episode. We had a blast building your carport.
Yeah. Finally, I can put the old 55 in the dry.
Yeah. Finally in the dry, man, which is good, man. That's a big step.
Yeah, that's a big step. So I mean, it's a carport, but it'll do till my nice shop will be built.
Well, I think you're gonna wall it in and close
Oh
it in.
yeah, I'm gonna wall it in, get it closed in. That way, my car's kind of.
Yeah.
Because I'm telling you guys, which you viewers know, when it comes to these old cars, they're come to the point where they have to have a shed comes with them because weather beats the old cars down.
Yeah, my 4-door 66 out there, you guys have seen it in some previous videos, but man, it's always lived outside. I repainted it and had it repainted and stuff, and man, that thing in 10 years, it looks like what it did when I had to redo it.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, the weather kills them. But anyways, guys, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you are subscribed.
Yeah, man.
Go to our Facebook. Right now, we are trying to, we're promoting Permatex right now. We're doing some promotion videos. If you guys can, go and share those videos on Facebook and on Instagram. It'd help us out a ton.
Yeah.
Permatex is doing a promotional deal for 3 racers this season. They're going to sponsor some money and some stuff to help them out at the racetrack.
That's cool.
And that's really cool. We're really appreciative of that. It gives everybody a chance to try to get into a sponsorship to help them out. So if y'all would help us out, all you gotta do is just share those videos and comment on them. And heck, maybe even send Permatex a message and say, hey, the Full Metal Goat needs some help.
Yeah, exactly. Or simple view would help.
Yes,
because I'm sure they pay attention to the views too.
Exactly. Anyways, guys, that's it for us. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna keep hammering down. The next episode should be us probably making a paint booth in this bay right here.
Yeah.
And probably putting some clear down on this bad boy. So
yeah, man.
that's it. Thank you guys. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below.